Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying you have the right access and files. Check your CS2 client and server version and make sure you are an admin or operator. Without that, you cannot change server settings. Once confirmed, backup critical files, CFG map rotations, plugins to an external location or cloud. Also, record the target server's IP, port, and Archon password so you can connect. Now that basics are secured and noted, proceed to connect to the server console to begin changes. You connect to the machine using SSH or RDP or open the CS2 server console. Authenticate with your admin credentials immediately. Then edit server. CFG and any auto-exec files, update hostname, SV password, Archon password, tick rate, and network settings so players reach the new server correctly. Make targeted changes to map cycle and plugin configs where necessary, because mismatches break gameplay. Once edits are saved, restart the server process cleanly so new variables load and watch logs to confirm no. You finish by verifying server visibility and connectivity. Check the match browser and attempt to join with a secondary account to confirm reachability. If players cannot connect, inspect server logs for bind or resource errors, then confirm firewall rules allow the server port and that required assets are present. If gameplay issues appear, use Archon or admin commands to tweak tick rate, SV cheats, or plugin settings live. One tip: if problems persist, revert to your backup CFG while you diagnose, then reapply fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.